So Levi is going to share with us what materials we need to gather. Take it away, Levi.
We are going to need crayons or oil pastels, watercolor, a dish with water, and don't forget your paintbrush. First, I will draw my hunters and animals in pencil. When Abby finishes her drawing, she will apply oil pastels. Blending is important. Now I'm going to apply the watercolor.
Hey Levi, why do you think that the water gets pushed away?
Because of the oil in oil pastels.
That's right, you'll get the same results too with crayons. If you're working with crayons, the wax actually pushes that water and pigment away.
This is where Abby will sprinkle sand over wet patches of glue.
Yeah, and the way you can do this is just by simply taking, a little bit of sand and wherever your glue is, just kind of, pour it right on top of the glue, okay? It would be nice too if you had like a box or a container to do this in. That way it's not as messy at home.
Texture is about a surface quality, either tactile or visual.
Excellent, Levi. So the next part is to actually add texture, meaning we're going to begin to add tactile texture using sand. Now, you're not required to do this, but if you could find some earth or sand or mud or anything that you want from the front yard, you can actually incorporate that into.
Now I'm gonna flip over my art to set the extra sand off.
Wow, Levi, Abby, this looks like an amazing prehistoric cave wall. Well, I want to let you know you are fantastic art scholars. A big thank you goes to art scholars Levi and Abigail. And always remember to think outside the box.